How to stop germs when your whole family is sick? Wear a mask. For a highly contagious illness like the flu, it's okay to go the extra mile. Put a face mask over the infected person's mouth as soon as they start to show symptoms that'll keep their coughs, sneezes, wheezes, and germs contained. Wash up. Hand washing is like a do-it-yourself vaccine. It's one of the best ways to stop germs in their tracks so you and others don't get sick. Wash often and well. Follow these 5 steps. Wet your hands with running water. Lather with soap. Then scrub, rinse, and dry. Spend at least 20 seconds at the sink for each session. That's about as long as it takes to hum the happy birthday song all the way through 2 times. Keep sanitizer close by. When soap and water aren't an option, hand sanitizer is the next best thing. Keep bottles around the house for a quick fix after you tend to a sick family member or change a diaper. Choose one that's at least 60% alcohol. Those with less won't kill as many types of germs. They may only stop some of them from growing. Wipe it all down. Clean any surface in your house that can take a scrub, like counters, door and cabinet handles, tables, and light switches. The goal isn't just to remove germs, but to destroy them. To do that, choose a cleaner that says disinfectant and has an EPA registration number on the label. Make time for the toys. When sickness hits your little ones, it's time to round up of all their favorite playthings and get them clean. Put hard, battery and electronics-free toys in the dishwasher to get sanitized. Toss plush playthings into the washing machine and run them through a cycle. Change diapers with care. It's never a good idea to do it near where you eat, play, or hang out. That's especially true when there's sickness in the house. Give the changing table extra time when you clean, and disinfect it often. Wear latex gloves during changing sessions, and don't leave dirty diapers hanging around. Toss them into the trash as soon as you get the clean one on. Keep your food germ-free. If you're under the weather, let someone else cook. In fact, you shouldn't prep meals for others for 48 hours after your symptoms stop, just to be safe. Don't let others grab your grub, either. Sharing snacks and sips is a quick way to pick up other people's germs. Scour your bathroom. If there's one room that needs extra disinfection when a family member is down for the count, it's the loo. Step up your cleaning efforts on all surfaces, like the sink, toilet, and floor. If you're dealing with stomach illness, cold, or flu, get germs off cleaning cloths. After you wipe germs off, they can still hang around on the sponge or cloth you used. Wash your cleaning cloths with hot water often, or use disposable disinfecting cloths or paper towels, and toss them when you're done. Toss your toothbrush. Most germs die pretty quickly as your toothbrush dries, but switching out for a new one once you get well is a quick and easy way to start fresh. Take stock of where you store your toothbrush. 2. Don't keep family brushes in one container where they could touch. Keep your distance. Shut yourself or a sick family member away in a separate part of the house. It gives them space to rest and recover, and it helps keep what ails you in one spot instead of spreading it around the house. Trash tissues and cover coughs. Germs like to hitch a ride on hands. Be sure anyone who hacks or sneezes does it into a tissue, or if one isn't around their sleeve. Don't just toss used tissues into a pile, either. Throw them into the trash or flush them down the toilet so bacteria and viruses don't linger. Air kiss. Germs are more likely to get into your body after you touch a contaminated surface and then your nose than via a kiss. But it won't hurt to skip the smooches for a while when you or someone you love is sick. Use breastfeeding. You don't have to stop nursing when you or your baby gets sick. In fact, your milk has antibodies that will help protect her against whatever has you down. It'll build up her fluids if she's the one battling germs. Get your shots. Vaccines are the best way to prevent certain diseases. Keep your family's immunizations up to date. Take everyone to get a flu shot as soon as it's available each fall.